This is a forest cottage, Ninja Totti, near Nerimangalam. It's on route to Munnar for people who wish to go. They can accommodate around 24 people. There are 8 cottages. It's a beautiful place to unwind from the busy schedule of our city lives. It's only about 2 hours from Ernakulam, so easily accessible till a point, and then you have to take a teeny weeny jeep ride over a kilometer and a half maybe, but it's worth it. Once you reach here, it's worth that travel. It is good for adventure lovers. It's also good for nature lovers. There's a waterfall very close to it, right next to the property. So you can walk down the steps into the waterfall as well and relax, blend with nature, rejuvenate and come back. So if anyone's looking for a perfect getaway, this could be an ideal place. Try it. It's Forest Cottage at Injattotti near Nerimangalam. You take a left after a toddy shop and you will reach this place. Mr. Anu, the owner, is a very hospitable person, and Shinto and Tangachin, who take care of this property, are also very hospitable, down to earth, mature people. You get good food as well, cooked by Cottage and the ladies were managed by him. So if there's anyone who wishes to, it's one place you could peacefully spend a night or two, explore the forest, explore the waterfall, and also there's a hanging bridge close by, so there's that card if you want to go further exploring the bird sanctuary.